Another day, another install. We have, for one, something different. We have a 370Z. What are we doing?
We're gonna do some fenders on this,
Got
bro.
some fenders.
These are right here.
Those right there. Oh shit. Oh shit.
I'm about to do these and all
Yeah. Customer provided fenders. The whole thing.
You got it from us, bro? Yeah. Yeah, you got it
So some Southbay fenders right there. We're gonna unwrap these. Angel's gonna start taking off all the drills. And then all the nuts and bolts in there. But yeah, it should be a fun little vlog. Something different for the YouTube channel. Right, fool?
Yes, sir. Get to work.
Alright, we're gonna review the Z. Alright, 1 to 10, the build.
Nah, that's pretty clean. Clean and
9,
simple,
10,
bro. Simple, clean,
sure.
simple, clean.
Wheels, the nice. We got the little mirror caps. What do you got under the hood? I see some intakes. Okay, okay.
Little stable bar right here.
Handlebar. I see this little lid. What's it? Motor.
Handles. The pillars.
Okay, carbon.
That's fine. That's fine.
Carbon. Carbon. I think he wrapped the top black.
Hey, but the fenders?
The fender's gonna complete this look, huh?
4 or 5 inches for exhaust tip.
Big ass tips. What exhaust you got on this, bro?
I don't even know honestly. I got it like that.
Oh yeah?
Okay.
Loud or what? I mean, I can hear you from my office, so okay. Yeah, the interior check. Okay. But yeah, the red and black color mix, pretty sick. So right now, taking off the clips. We got the corners taken out. But unwrap the fenders, fool?
Yeah, I just gotta move a couple things. So I can have.
Also, a special request, he gave us these. I think they're aftermarket light up logos, huh, on the fenders. We'll see how it looks, because we're not familiar with this little wire right here. Usually this one right here goes to the actual harness, so
Yeah.
we'll see. Oh, we got the bumper off. With the quickness. How many bolts are here? So the top ones.
So it's 1, 2, 3, headlight. There is some at the bottom, and then one over here inside. That should be
So
awesome.
kind of like a Infinity.
Yeah, kind of like Infinity.
Bro, like Nissan. Same
Nissan,
shit.
Nissan.
Nissan, Infinity, same shit. Like
Really
fitting.
stay hydrated, bro.
Stay hydrated.
I need my damn.
Hasbullah, fool, Hasbullah.
Check them out.
See how these fenders look. Flip around. Ooh. Okay, so you see you got little vents going on.
It's like the B1 style type.
Yeah, so those little inlets go right there.
It's like a
It's on your shit.
You took a chip?
Nah, I'm not talking shit, bro.
Did we drill the brackets bigger?
For this, no.
No?
No.
Damn, so easy install then. Got the other one, but same thing. So these are what the fenders look like. Now let's just slap them on, see how they look towards the end of the video.
I think I'm gonna
My boy eating good. He got tamales on
I
deck.
think I'm gonna have to get one, put it in the microwave real quick. Hey, bro, you got the tamales on there?
You got tamales on deck, huh?
Yeah, my mom made them.
Oh shit! Oh, homemade, full homemade.
Homemade? Oh, shit.
Oh shit!
That's the best.
See, we got one bolt right there.
Cálmese, pa.
Key thing for fenders, we tape the edge of the door. Cause why, fool?
And you don't want it to get scratched,
We
bro.
want to scratch them because we do fitment. We try to open up
Put a little 2 layers.
little 2 layers. So yeah, we put tape right there. So when we test fit the fenders, we try to open the door a lot. So we want to make sure it's rubbing on tape. So mind you, be careful with this bolt right there. So by the rocker panel, there's 2 bolts. One closer to the wheel, and then there's one like
show you.
way back. All right.
Let me show you.
Angel's gonna show you right now.
Let me show you. Alright, Jay. Where's that shit at, fool?
All the way over here. You can't even.
You can't even see that.
You can't even see. It's all the way in the corner.
Yeah. That's just a bit. Like that dirty bitch.
So Angel drilled out the holes slightly bigger. I see you drill right there.
This is how I play. Yeah, it's hard room. It's a plate.
More
with
room
the
to
fitment.
adjust it for the fitment. You think that light works, fool?
Yeah.
Oh shit.
We'll get it right. We'll get it right now.
So we figured it out. Owner gave us extra wire and he gave us an idea because the other end is just basically Nada. So this goes directly to the battery, right?
We'll see right now. Direct power.
Direct
We
power,
wire
direct
it to
power.
one of the harnesses that had direct power.
So he just have it touching the battery and look what it's doing.
Well, that's just for like power surf right now. We're gonna cut into this harness and we're gonna run some wire.
I think they're turn signals too, no?
Try it. Go right side.
I'm gonna see. Is it? So I think they're just light up emblems for the side.
Into the harness.
Oh, got cut. Oh.
What is bro doing?
I'm disconnecting the electrical wire
Two?
so I can strip more wire without having to be so close to the harness.
Four? For what though?
To get this right here and get my direct power.
So yeah, for this to work. So yeah, for this to work, you gotta
Run it to direct power.
connect it to the harness, and then the positive
Run it to direct power.
to the power at the headlight. So that means when you turn the headlight, this is gonna turn on. And this bad boy is on. So what do you do,
As long
bro?
as your headlights on, bro, that's gonna be on.
So what do you connect
turn
to?
off,
Where do you connect to?
you run it to the back of the harness. It
the
is a direct
pink.
power, which is pink.
Light pink.
Right here. This one gets right current as soon as you plug in the headlight. But if I turn off the headlight,
This is off. So it's basically like when you turn on your headlight, this is going
wire
on.
up to your headlight. Straight up.
So yeah, you plug in the harness and then you run this all the way to the front to the headlight.
And we'll clean it up right now. We'll
Yeah,
look
let's
for
do
more
that.
professional just to make sure
Run it
it's
through here, probably behind the fender. We're just doing a little quick test, you know. But yeah, Jay got it right. Yeah, that's right. Oh shit. Oh, hey, don't bang on video, fool. Don't bang on video, fool. Chill out, chill out. But yeah.
You like that, baby? Let me show you how it's done. You run it. And try to get it in there. You like that?
Like that.
Just like that, you're in. You're in.
Shit going nowhere. Cut.
You're in. Ah, you got scared. You got scared. Damn. that was
Is
just
that a
wire.
scratch, Jay?
Remember that, Chief? Look, check it out, check it out.
Yeah. Okay.
It's on. Not going nowhere, bro.
Nowhere.
Sorry.
So yeah, this side is already run down for the logo. We're gonna hop on the other side, and then we're gonna throw the fenders, and then we should be good to go, right? That's right.
Alright, check it out. Moment of truth. Moment of truth. So look. Wire off. Wire by my boy. Let me show you. Hold on. Boom. As soon as the headlight turns on, it's wired up. This turns on.
That's right. So you have to plug basically
You have a harness, then you have to have a hot.
that runs
Right.
all the way to the
Direct
headlight.
power to the headlight, back of the harness.
Yeah.
You want to have these? That's how you wire them up. It's our
Next.
first time doing them.
Next step, we're gonna throw the fenders on. Then bro should be good to go.
As soon as we throw them on, that's how we're looking right now. We're gonna get there. Got the other one over here. We already put it on. And look at the setup. Sheesh. And who's that bicep fool over there?
You ready to slap them on, fool?
Ready.
Ready?
Just sit tight, a couple of things, cables, harness, whatever. Put it J way.
Oh, I gotta make sure this shit doesn't touch the tire.
Lining everything up. Pre-drill holes.
You good right there? Or? You need more down? No. We're trying to even out the.
This fender's on. Everything lined up. Good, even gap. Just gotta put the rocker panel back in. How you like this side?
It's pretty good, bro. We're trying to match both sides. Make sure everything's smooth.
Oh yeah.
I like it.
So
We're
that's
still
our
working on the
check.
other side. We're still doing adjustments, so we're almost there.
Almost there. Almost. But yeah, almost done with this car, man.
Like this one.
So carbon fenders for this Z, man. This fender's on. We're gonna see fitment with the hood down. Drop it.
Nope, we gotta go in more. Yeah, we're going in more.
Slight adjustment. Let's make it go in more. This side too?
Nah.
This one's good.
Perfect.
So
Despacito.
like that, Angel?
Real hard, get faster.
Right there.
Go.
Go. Go.
Push it hard.
Alright, this one goes slow.
Now we see it.
Oh, you got it? You got it?
There you go.
There you go. That's what we're looking for. Oh, let me turn on the headlight.
That's like good. Oh yeah. Let's see the little emblems.
Damn.
Se cae el vato.
Check the other side. Check the other side. The other side.
Let's see the other side
Any
turns
sound
on.
on the head?
Damn. Put the bumper back on. Damn. 370s look good. Out of all the Nissans, I would want a 370. These fenders look real good. We did a good job with the fitment. Little touch with this light up emblem, and he got the Ray wheels. So yeah, little red carbon mix right there with the little B pillar. We do offer the roof in carbon, but I don't think he has the time to have that installed as well. Oh well. Just like that, fenders are on. Driver side, passenger side. You have their vented hoods with the emblem. I like it, bro.
It's pretty good.
Yeah. So yeah, Southbay Touch with this 370. What's your Instagram, bro?
Z34A.NGEL.
There you go. So follow this car, this journey. Probably one of the cleanest Z's I've seen at the shop. Check out those fenders in the sun. Sheesh. Car needs a little bit of wash from all our touching, but we gave the fenders a good wipe down. But yeah, there it goes. This whole build clean, man. Off he goes home with some new pair of fenders. There you guys have it. Quick install, or not quick, but easy install for today. Yeah, we're gonna see you guys at the next one for more installs. Deuces.